Dear subscribers, hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. There is enough gold in the ocean for every individual to have 9 pounds of it. Earthquakes disrupt sperm whales' ability to find food. The tallest tree and the largest tree in the world are both from California. World's first transparent car launched in Germany. One in 25 babies are born with webbed toes or fingers. A platybelodon is an early ancestor of the elephant, having big mouth and shovel-like tusk. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants in the world, and some species can grow up to 1.5 inches an hour. Here's the flying bum, Airlander 10, the world's longest aircraft. Galileo's middle finger is on display at an Italian museum. 2/3 of the people on Earth have never seen snow. Bees can't see you if you're not moving. The script of Money Heist was not written in advance, rather it was written alongside filming. Honey heals scars left from acne on the skin. Ice cream shown in the advertisement is actually mashed potatoes. Muraka, world's first underwater villa, opened in Maldives. Cherries can cause cancer cells to commit suicide. There is a town in Texas named Earth on Earth. Full form of boys is beauty of young society. There are over 6,000 known species of grass in the world. Mango is the national fruit of India, Pakistan, and Philippines. In a new order, Kim Jong-un has banned skinny jeans in North Korea. We change our voices when we talk to people we like.
Can you hear the sound?
The first photograph of Earth taken from space on 24th October 1946. You can buy pills to make your fart smell like roses and chocolate. Finland has a wife carrying competition. The winner receives his wife weight in beer. Stan Larkin spent 555 days with no heart in his body. There is a theory that if a girl likes you, she will always play with her hair while talking to you. Phasmophobia is the fear of ghosts. Water can boil and freeze at the same time. Gazers can get trapped in a waterfall.
Can you hear the sound?
Gorillas and potatoes have 2 more chromosomes than humans do.
We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change several.
If you were to drive your car to space, it would take about an hour for you to get there. A site called Emojipedia keeps track of ever-changing emojis. The human brain takes in 11 million bits of information every second, but it is aware of only 40. Human saliva contains a painkiller called opirofin that is 6 times more powerful than morphine.
We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things
In an average lifetime, human skin completely replaces itself 900 times.
with the revolution.
Yuma, Arizona gets over 4,000 hours of sunshine a year, making it the sunniest place on earth. High-speed solar storm may hit Earth today to impact GPS mobile phone signals.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
An adult elephant needs to drink more than 200 liters of water each day.
Hold tight, chemicals.
Human teeth are just as strong as shark teeth.
Hold tight, dripping lights paint the sky.
Once you eat your food, it takes your body around 12 hours to fully digest it.
Dripping lights paint the sky.
Gets over 1200 tornadoes a year.
Can make me
Your mouth produces about 1 liter of saliva in a day.
can make me
Supermodel Bella Hadid is the most beautiful woman in the world according to the scientific equation.
can make me
1030 years old Viking axe is found in Denmark. We close our eyes when we kiss because shutting out the visual input leaves more mental resources to focus on other senses like touch.
so alive.
Common cold and headache can be easily cured with sex. It boosts your immune system and helps you fight these seasonal bugs. Thanks for watching.